Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yeah, what is data? Can you please repeat?
Information about something.
Yeah, that information may be
Numericals.
yeah.
Flow charts, tree diagrams.
See, please don't answer to the question. Don't speak whatever you know. That was not the question. I did not ask you about flow chart and tree diagram. What is data? If this question comes in your examination, what would be your answer?
Good morning, sir. Data is used for knowing the.
Yeah. Yes, somebody was speaking. Swati, was it Swati? Tanmay? What is data? The day before yesterday, I told you about data clearly. But today, just after 48 hours, you don't know. You don't remember anything. I think Tanmay has answered. Tanmay has given 50% of the answer. Tanmay, can you please explain what is data?
Yes, sir. Information and facts collected together for reference.
Right, very good. Information and facts.
Analysis.
And that information may be accumulated or
Characters, quantities, numericals, characters.
Yeah.
Symbols.
Yeah, right, correct. Very good. That means data can be numerical and non-numerical, right? Numerical or non-numerical. So far we have in tree diagram and in flow chart, only the information was given, facts were given. No numerical data. Did we go through any numerical data yesterday and the day before yesterday? No numerical.
No, sir.
But in tables, we are going to have numerical data. Numbers will be there. Okay, numericals. Please go through the questions and answer. In what form do you arrange your classwork schedule each week?
In tables.
In tables. Right. It is not numerical. Is it numerical or non-numerical?
Numericals.
No, classwork schedule. Timetable, that is your timetable. Your timetable is in data, in table, but it is not numerical. It is non-numerical only. Do you have any numbers in your timetable? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday first period physics. Monday first period chemistry. Monday second period English. That is how you have. So tables also can be numerical and non-numerical. Okay, timetable such schedules will be given in tables. It is non-numerical information, non-numerical facts. Now, what are again the same question? What are the advantages of a table or a flowchart?
We can read fast and it is very easily understandable.
Yes.
Understand.
Correct. It is comfortable to understand. We can easily understand it and we can easily remember it. We can easily analyze it. Okay. Now, let me go to the next slide. See, this is a very good example of numerical data. What is the table showing?
Students data and government
Student data
policy.
in government polytechnic.
Now, what are you supposed to do in your examination? A table will be given. You
have to
you should not just give the facts which are there in the table. You can't say in ECE males are 36, boys are 36 and girls are 22. Total is 58. And in medium, in English medium, students from English medium are 19 and students from Telugu medium are 39 and total 58. So that is not the way to interpret data. You have to interpret data, not just give the facts which are there in your table. You have to analyze them. You have to interpret. Let me check whether I have given right. See, they given, let me interpret the data. The question is, interpret the data given in the following table. This is the question which comes in your examination. This table will be given. Now, what would be the first sentence? So what were we doing for flowcharts and for
First, we have
the table tells about students data in a government polytechnic.
Yeah, this table gives us the students' data in a government polytechnic in two branches, ECE and CME. That should be the first sentence. State the main idea of the table in the first sentence. That is what you are saying. Yeah, can you read the table? Please read the table. Please read it aloud. State the main idea of the table in the first sentence. Analyze the data. That is very important. Analyze the data in the table, either from the first column and row or from one heading to another. Identify the similarities and differences. This is a very important point you have to observe. Identify the similarities and the differences. In this table, what are the similarities between ECE and CME? What are the differences between ECE and CME? What are the similarities between English medium and Telugu medium? What are the differences between similarities and differences between English medium and Telugu medium? Okay, and what are the differences and similarities between the total strength of ECE and total strength of CME? What are the differences and similarities? Yeah, this is what you have to analyze. So identify the similarities and differences and analyze the data. Mention the figures given in the table. You can mention the figures given in the table also, but you have to analyze it. And you have to use linkers like we did in flowchart and tree diagram. In flowchart and tree diagram, we used first, second, then subsequently. Those are the expressions. Yeah, later. But here, in contrast to or similar to ECE, CME students are also, or contrast to CME students, ECE students are like this. Whereas ante on the contrary and artham. Whereas means on the contrary, induku bhinnanga, induku viruddhanga, whereas, but, however, these are the linkers you have to use in your interpretation of the table. And then concentrate on, yeah, that was already given. The last point was already given. Now, can you please note down these points immediately quickly? Interpretation of the table, that will be the heading. Interpretation of the table, right? That will be the heading. And then first point, main idea. Second point, similarities and differences. Analysis of similarities and differences and random. Are you writing? Interpretation of table should be the heading. Interpretation of the table. First point, main idea. Second point, figures. Second, write figures as the second point. Figures, that is numbers, is the second point. Third point, analysis of similarities and differences. Third point, analysis of similarities and differences. Fourth point, linkers. Linkers like, similar to, contrast to, on the contrary, whereas, but, however. So these are some of the linkers used in used while interpreting a table. Okay, I have written. The first point is main idea. Second point is figures. Third point, analysis of similarities and differences. Fourth point, linkers, like, similar to, contrast to, whereas, but, however. Have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Now come back. Data of how many branches is given here in this table?
2 branches.
2 branches.
EC and
Branches.
CME.
EC and
Are there
CME.
boys and girls? Are there boys and girls? Yeah, there are boys and girls.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there a similarity or difference between the number of male students and the number of female students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
first you have
sir.
to analyze them. You have to give that. Number of male students in ECE versus number of female students in ECE, and the number of male students in CME versus number of female students in CME. That means, which is more? The number of male students, in the given table, the students' data of ECE and CME is given, and the number of male students who took admission in ECE is 36, whereas the number of female students who took admission is only 22, right? And the number of male students in CME is 34, and the number of female students in CME is 19. Okay, that means, what can you analyze? The number of male students in both CECE and CME is more than the number of female students. Is it true or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The number of female students, number of male students. Number of male students is more than the number of female students. You can analyze that. And the number of students who took admission in ECE is more than the number of students who took admission in CME. 58 students took admission in ECE, whereas only 53 students took admission in CME. That means the number of ECE students is more than the number of CME students. And you can say 36, 22 is to 36, 19 is to 34. Okay. That means calculate the percentage of the male students, percentage of the female students in ECE and CME. And the percentage of female students in ECE is more than the percentage of CME. See? 22 versus 36, 19 versus 34. So 22 versus 36 is more than 19 is to 34. Okay. And then the number of, this is medium in SSC. I can write it like that, medium in SSC, medium in 10th class. So most of the students who took admission in both ECE and EME are from which medium? Brain పనిచేస్తుందా లేదా? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Number of Telugu medium students is more than the number of English medium students, or number of English medium students is more than the number of Telugu medium students?
Number of students are more in Telugu medium.
English.
Number of Telugu medium students in both ECE and CME is more, right?
Yes, sir.
Almost calculate the ratio also. Almost the number of Telugu medium students in ECE is double than that of number of English medium students. 19 into 2, 38, and it is 39. That is more than double. Here also 15 students from English medium, 38 students from English medium in CME, in Telugu medium. That means more than double here, 15 into 2, 30, 2.5 times. Telugu medium students are 2.5 times more than that of the English medium students in CME branch, right? On the whole, the number of Telugu medium students in both the branches is equal. In ECE, 39 Telugu medium students took admission, in CME, 38 students took admission. Okay? See, all this should be analyzed in your table. Don't just give number of ECE male students is 36, number of female ECE students is 22, total strength is 58, number of Telugu medium students in ECE is 19, number of English medium students is 19, and number of Telugu medium students is 39, total is 58. Don't just give the facts. This is called data interpretation. You have to interpret the table. You have to analyze. On the whole, you can say the students who take admission in polytechnics are mostly from Telugu medium background. While devising your curriculum 21 or whatever it may be, next curriculum, the staff has to keep this in mind. What? Telugu medium students are more in polytechnic than English medium students. So the syllabus has to depend upon this. అర్థమైందా? తెలుగు మీడియం స్టూడెంట్స్ కి ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్టూడెంట్స్ కి కొంచెం టఫ్ పెట్టినా నడుస్తుంది, బట్ తెలుగు మీడియం స్టూడెంట్స్ కి కొంచెం స్లోగా తీసుకోవాల్సి వస్తుంది వాళ్ళు. So all these things have to be kept in mind while devising your curriculum. Okay. Now you have to analyze why the number of female students is less than the number of male students in polytechnics. Our polytechnics case is different. Ours is specially for girls. Ours is a girls polytechnic, so only girls take admission. But in other colleges, do you think boys are more or girls? Yes.
Boys.
Yeah, you are not attentive. You have to answer. Boys are more in any polytechnic. You take any polytechnic. I think in some, for example, in some mining engineering is a branch which is there in Belampalli and Kottagudem. Diploma in mining engineering is also there. Do you know about that?
Yes, sir.
So in that mines, they have to go to the field, mountains, hills, and valleys. They have to work with the earth. Do you think girls prefer that work? They have to work under the sun.
Sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
So in mining engineering, the number of students, the number of girl students will be very less. And in compared to computer engineering and civil engineering, you must be knowing both the branches. Girls take admission in CME or civil?
Girls are more, sir.
Girls are more
Girls are in computer engineering.
Computer engineering, right? Very good. They take admission in computer engineering. Whereas civil engineering, again, field work, less number.
Boys only.
Boys will be there. Boys will be there in civil department. So,
Yes, sir.
of course, that is additional information I am giving. This is how you have to analyze the table. Don't just give the facts which are there in the table. Now come on, you start writing a paragraph very quickly. I have given you in detail. I have analyzed, I have interpreted the table for you. Whatever I have explained so far, you put it on paper, write on paper, and some of you have to read out those passages. The question is, interpret the table given below. That is the question. And this is the table. Interpret the table below. Interpret the table given below is the question. So the heading itself tells us what we can find in that. Students' data and government quality. The table given gives the information about, gives the data about
This table
students
shows
in ECE and
students
CME in a government polytechnic. That will be the first sentence. And then write whatever I have explained so far. Now I will give you 5 minutes time. Come on, you write. I hope all of you have given attendance.
Yes, sir.
Right, come on, start. Start writing a paragraph. I will give you 5 minutes time. Yeah, who wants to speak? Who wants to interpret the table? I have already interpreted it for you. The only thing you are supposed to do is write those things in your notebook. You might not have completed, but even if you have completed 50%, you can start reading.
Sir, Tanmay, sir, can I?
Just a minute, Amma.
Sir, I'm Swati, sir.
Yeah, first Tanmay, you can speak, and then Swati. Yeah, Tanmay.
Yes, sir. This table is giving the information about students' data in a government polytechnic. In government polytechnic, there are two branches, ECE and CME. The total number of male in ECE are 36 and female are 22. The total number of male in CME are 34 and female are 19. The total strength in EC and CME is 58 and 53 respectively. The students whose language medium in 10th is English are 19 in EC and 15 in CME, and whose medium is Telugu are 39 in EC and 38 in CME. From this, we got to know that the number of Telugu medium are more than English medium. Thank you, sir.
Okay, right. Swati?
The main idea of the table is about students' data in a government polytechnic college. In government polytechnic college, there are two branches. One is EC and one is CME. In EC branch, the number of males are 36 and the females are 22. When we compare with male, when we compare with female, males are much than female, and that is total 58. And when we compare, and when we come to CME, the number of males are more than female, that is 53. When we compare with the EC to CME, EC members are more in Telugu medium, from Telugu medium language, that are 38, total is 58. This is the differentiate between EC and MEC.
Okay. Okay. Anybody else?
Sir, Manga sir from EC.
Yeah, Manga, please speak.
This table is describing about students' data in government polytechnic. The branches are given ECE and CME. The number of boys are present in the ECE branch are 36 and the number of girls are present in the ECE branch are 22. So the total strength in ECE is 58. So in ECE branch, English medium students are 19 and Telugu medium students are 39. Whereas in CME, the number of boys is 34 and the number of girls are 19 and the total strength in CME is 53. The students who are from English medium are 15 members and from Telugu medium are 38 students.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, right. Anybody else apart from Tanmay, Swati, and Manga? See, everybody has to grab the opportunity to speak in the class. Bhargavi wants to speak. Jyoti?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please speak.
The table describes about the students' data in a government polytechnic. The table gives us information about two branches. One is EC and another one is CME. The number of students in males in EC is 36, and whereas females are 22. In CME branch, the males are 34 and female are 19. The total strength of the total strength in EC is 58, whereas CME branch 53. The admission taken in medium English medium is 19 in ECE, and in Telugu medium 39. The total strength 58, whereas in CME the English medium students are 50 and students are 38. Total strength is 53. Thank you.
Okay, anybody else? Bhargavi wants to speak. Okay, one thing, one very important thing about language I would like to tell you, all of you. The number, whenever you say the number of male students is not are, here the subject is the number, not males or females, or not male students or female students. So listen to the sentence once again. The number of male students is 36 in ECE. The number of male, the number of male 36 kanaka plural. The number of students kanaka plural anukuntaru. The number of male students anagane adostundi kanaka. What you are thinking is it is plural. The number of male students are 36 antunaru. The number of male students is 36. The number of female students in ECE is 22. The number of male students in CME is 34, not are. Yes, is it clear, everyone?
Okay, sir.
Ikkada subject,
Yes, sir.
the number subject. Now tell me, what are your findings based on this table? You tell me one or two important things which you have found apart from the facts which are there. Facts akkada unnai. Facts kaakunda మీరు ఇంటర్ప్రిట్ చేస్తే చెప్పేటువంటి విషయాలు చెప్పండి. Tell me one or two things which you have observed, which you have interpreted.
Sir, I'm Swati.
Yeah, Swati, please.
When we see this data, we know that many Telugu medium students are in the government polytechnic college when we compare with English medium students.
Right, very good. That is one point. See, now we have only 1 minute. After 1 minute, we are going to get disconnected and we shall meet tomorrow. Now, tell me, one more observation, anybody? Tanmay, have you observed any?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. The number of male are more than female.
Yes, right. Very good. That also can be interpreted. The number of students are taking admission, the number of male students who are taking admission in polytechnics is more than the number of female students. Right. Now, any comparison between ECE and CME?
The number of students is more than EC.
Yeah, the number of students who took admission in ECE is more than that of CME. Kada?
CME.
58. In ECE, there are 58 students. But in CME, only 53 students are there. Right? Almost. Telugu medium students are almost equal in both the branches.